For Team 305's Pocket Pantry Sprint 2, our goal was to create a fully functional inventory in which users could add and edit items in their pantries. After a lot of hard work and learning, we were able to fully complete all of our team's objectives for Sprint 2. Let me walk you through it right now, and note that functionality and style is the same for both iOS and Android. Upon login, a user is immediately brought to a scrollable view of their pantry. Notice how items are automatically broken into different grocery categories. Also notice how icon bubbles on the left of each item display the condition. Green and blue represent the items which are not spoiled and pre-expiry, and red represent the items which are expired. Each row also shows the expiration date or the status of the item, as well as the quantity on the right. Oof, our ground turkey has expired for a week now. Let's throw that away and remove it from our pantry. The slidable functionality allows for users to easily update or delete items. Due to investing into code that manages async calls, users experience zero lag when updating their pantries. Since we don't have any meat, let's get on that college student rice and black beans grind. Now after eating an entire can of black beans, we want to edit the number that we have. Users can easily update their items in their pantry. Let's walk through a quick series of possible updates. Upon eating, we notice that we accidentally bought kidney beans. Oops, we forgot to click the update button. Upon further analyzing the cans, we also notice that they actually expire in February of 2023. Notice how users can change the date between scrolling through the calendar to different months, by also changing the different years, or also simply just manually updating them as such. Our bananas are also looking pretty ripe. Let's manually update those, as automatic updates will be handled in the future. Users can change the ripeness between varying levels. They can also change the type of condition. Let's change it to a date. They can also change it to not applicable, but it exists for items such as spices. Let's change the bananas back to being ripe for just now. Notice how during all of these changes, states are preserved and immediately persisted upon updating. Let's stop playing with the food in our pantry. In honor of Tom Brady winning the Super Bowl, we went to Publix and bought some avocados. When users want to add items, they can simply go and press the Add button. They are then brought to an intermediary screen which currently has preset categories. In user testing with friends, these potential users like this transition better than going immediately to the input screen. And since we took bio at Tech, you know that avocados are obviously a fruit. Since units are optional, we will leave them blank. And once again, we can select the condition. And boom, no lag, the pantry updates immediately. For demo purposes, we manually invalidated the session token to force a user to log in again. As you can see, when a user logs in, the state of their pantry is persisted through different sessions. Looking forward, Team 305 is once again on track to finish up planned functionality for our future sprints due to our heavy investment in Sprint 1 and setting up a proper production-ready infrastructure and clean code that affords for easy changes. We do not have updates for our iteration plan. We hope to be able to continue to take in user feedback to make additional unplanned updates, such as this last sprint, when users complain about a couple second load time for pantries upon login. We then had Pocket Pantry set up a local SQLite DB instance on the devices to remove user experience network latency for API calls to our backend servers that connect to our MongoDB Atlas instances. We also plan to continue research into best improving Pocket Pantry, such as continuing to read Andreessen Horowitz articles that suggest things such as adding animations to make our app more sticky. We hope to best implement Pocket Pantry to help eliminate food waste by college students. Thank you for your time.